Hello friends, today I will discuss numerical problems on symmetrical components. In the previous videos, I discussed the derivations relating the phase voltage with the symmetrical components. The numerical problems on symmetrical components are two types. One type is the system may be unbalanced. In that case, we apply the symmetrical component method to get the symmetrical components. There is another method. Suppose you have the system is balanced, and if we apply the symmetrical component method to get the symmetrical components, what will going to happen? In the previous video, I discussed the numerical problem on the three-phase unbalanced system, and we got the symmetrical components. Today, I will discuss the symmetrical component analysis for the balanced three-phase system. Let us take a problem. In a balanced three-phase system, line to neutral voltages are given like this. VA is equal to 1 at an angle of 0 degrees, VB is equal to 1 at an angle of minus 120 degrees, VC is equal to 1 at an angle of 120 degrees. Find its symmetrical components. So if you look at this, VA magnitude, VB magnitude, VC magnitude are same, means it is a balanced system. Next, the phase angle between VA and VC is 120 degrees. Similarly, between VB and VC is 120 degrees. So now we try to calculate symmetrical components for this system, and we observe what is happening here. So from the given data, we write VA is equal to 1. That is 1 at an angle of 0 degrees means we can write as 1. Similarly, VB is equal to 1 at an angle of minus 120 degrees means 1 at an angle of 240 degrees. So this minus 120 degrees we can represent as A square. So VB is equal to A square. Similarly, VC is equal to 1 at an angle of 120 degrees. This 120 degrees we can represent as A. So we write VC is equal to A, means 1 at an angle of 120 degrees. So here to calculate the symmetrical components, so we assume the phase sequence as ABC and the phase A is reference. So then the equations for the symmetrical components with phase A as reference, we get VA naught is equal to 1/3 into VA plus VB plus VC. So if you look at this properly, 1/3 into, in place of VA, I am replacing with 1. In place of VB, I am substituting with A square. In place of VC, I am writing A. So it is a standard form, 1 plus A square is equal to 0. So we have 1/3 into 1 plus A square plus A is equal to 0. So for a balanced system, the zero phase sequence component, whatever reference you take, it will be 0. Then positive phase sequence component. So we know the formula from the previous videos, that is 1/3 is into VA plus A into VB plus A square into VC. So now we substitute given values, that is 1/3 into, in place of VA, substitute 1 plus A into VB, in place of VB you substitute A square plus A square into VC, VC is replaced with A. So then 1/3 into 1 plus a cube plus a cube. We know what is a cube. A cube is nothing but 1. So 1/3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. So you will get 3 divided by 3. So you will get VA1 is equal to 1. What does it indicates? This VA1 is nothing but a reference phase voltage, that is 1, that you can see here. So for a balanced system, positive phase sequence voltage is equal to the main or original phase voltage. Then next, what is the negative phase sequence component for this system? So we know negative phase sequence voltage VA2 is equal to 1/3 at an angle into VA plus A square into VB plus A into VC. So this formula is already derived in the previous videos. Now it is equal to 1/3. In place of VA, we replace it with 1 plus A square, and in place of VB, replace with A square like this, plus A into VC. VC is replaced with A like this. So then, if you look at this, simplify it, 1/3 into 1 plus, here it will become A power 4. A power 4 means A cube into A. A cube is 1. A is remains present, that is 1 plus A plus A square. So it is again a standard form. 1 plus A square is nothing but 0. So we get VA2 is equal to 0. Means for a balanced three-phase system, the negative phase sequence voltage is 0. Means it does not exist for a balanced three-phase system. So from this we can conclude that for a balanced three-phase system, zero phase sequence voltage and negative phase sequence voltage are same, means they are 0, whereas positive phase sequence will exist and its value will be the phase equal to phase voltage of original system, that is VA1 is equal to VA is equal to 1. Thank you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.